Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are doing well. So today our topic is Iqbal's letter to Jinnah. There are five letters. I am going to read from the notes. Some are original lines that are written by Iqbal. So when the correspondence from Iqbal to Jinnah was published in book from 1942, Jinnah wrote the foreword in the following famous words. ये जो lines हैं ये original हैं. I think these letters are of very great historical importance, particularly those which explain his views in clear and unambiguous terms on the political future of Muslim India. Allama Iqbal's last five letters to Jinnah were written between 11th August 1937 to 10th November 1937. ये वो डेट है जिसके दरमियान में इकबाल ने लेटर्स लिखे जिन्ना को. These letters express Iqbal's profound insight and deep understanding about the future of the Muslim of India. In a very effective and convincing manner, he advocates certain points and clarifies to Jinnah his standpoint about the political and position of the Muslims. Basically ये जो letters हैं ये इकबाल ने जिन्ना को एज अ एडवाइस थी जो वो जिन्ना को करते थे इन लेटर्स में कि क्या हालात चल रहे हैं और क्या उन्हें करना चाहिए इन हालात में. तो आगे हम देखते हैं letters. In the first letter, Iqbal stresses upon Jinnah that the Muslim League should concentrate all its activities on the Northwest Indian Muslims. The next section of the lead should be held in Lahore. Iqbal asserts that the enthusiasm for the League is rapidly increasing in the Punjab, and I have no doubt that the holding of the session in Lahore will be a turning point in the history of the League. ये original lines हैं इकबाल की. In the second letter, Iqbal talks about two burning issues. Firstly, he warns Jinnah about certain conspiracies going on among the Muslim leadership in response to the British government's communal awards. He advises Jinnah, "We are living in difficult times and the Indian Muslims expect that your address will give the clearest possible lead in all matters related to the future of the community. I suggest that the League should state or restate its policy relating to the communal award in the shape of suitable resolution." The main focus in the third letter is on the effective and strong organization of the League in order to achieve the great objective of the Muslim rule in the Muslim majority provinces. Iqbal again warns Jinnah about certain opposing elements that are working on that objective. Iqbal says, "We must carry the work of organization more vigorously than ever and should not rest till Muslim governments are established in the 5 provinces." ये बहुत easy wording है, उम्मीद है आपको समझ आ रही होगी. The fourth letter focus on the Jinnah-Sikandar agreement. Iqbal tries to clarify the differences between League and the Union Party as both sides are interpreting the agreement. In the fifth letter, Iqbal emphasizes upon Jinnah to take maximum control of the League in his own hand. Sir Skandar Hayat and the Unionists are trying to dominate in every matter, even the finance and the parliamentary board, which in Iqbal's opinion may prove detrimental for the League. वो चाहते थे कि जो सारा होल्ड है वो कायदे आज़म मतलब संभालें, जो बाकी हैं उनके हाथ में ये सारा कुछ हार्मफुल है. These letters not only describes Iqbal's clear-cut vision about political future of the Muslim of India, but also mention Iqbal's complete trust and confidence on Jinnah as the only true leader of the Muslim of subcontinent. ये समराइज़ करके 5 लेटर्स जो हैं इकबाल के वो लिख लिए हैं. उम्मीद है आपको समझ आ गई होगी. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू इन दिस चैनल देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब इट. थैंक यू.